Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Seeing sunny conditions out there this morning with some cold temperatures around. We did see that breeze lighten up through the early morning hours this morning. Expecting a breeze to pick up as we go through today, but not expecting as breezy of conditions as we saw the last 2 days. But overall, cooler and dry weather day, and we'll see things remain dry as we end out the work week with some unsettled weather moving into the area for the weekend. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we have high pressure building in behind the front that pushed through last night, so that's going to keep things quiet and dry as we go through the next 24 to 36 hours. And then we'll see an area of low pressure coming together over the Gulf of Mexico and bringing rain and windy conditions up to the area as we get into the day on Saturday. But for now, if we look at current conditions, we have clear skies out there, winds out of the north-northwest at 4 knots, temperature at 35 degrees, and our relative humidity is at 54%. If we take a look at the current visible satellite, we see those clear skies across the area, a little bit of smoke well off to the west with some wildfires out there in Virginia, West Virginia, but clear skies across the area, winds light right now out of the north to northwest. If we look at the short-term high-resolution model, see how things play out as we go into the weekend. Dry weather as we go through our Thursday, and again, we'll see a slight breeze pick up, and then those winds will become light and variable as we go into the evening time frame. Things remaining mostly clear, another cold evening around tonight. And as we go into the day on Friday, we'll start off mostly sunny, and then we'll start to pick up a slight onshore breeze as we move through the day, and gradually we'll see clouds on the increase as we go through the day, starting off with mainly high clouds around, but those clouds will be moving in out ahead of the next system that approaches the area. Again, that area low pressure tracking up the coast, looking to bring those rain showers in after midnight Friday night, and we'll see widespread rain moving through for the morning hours of Saturday. Do have a chance of seeing some pockets of heavier rain with this activity, and we'll see those winds become elevated as well once again as we get into the morning hours of Saturday. And as we go through the day on Saturday, the center of that low pressure continues to track closer and over the mid-Atlantic area. So we'll continue to see those winds increase and becoming quite windy with some wind gusts up to 35 to 40 miles per hour. And as you can see here with some higher reflectivity values, we'll have a chance of some heavier pockets of rain showers moving through. Looking at a good soaking as we move through our Saturday with some decent rainfall totals with this. And again, just a messy day overall with windy and rainy conditions. But as we get later in the day and into the evening time frame, that area of low pressure should start to pull away. We'll see some lingering low clouds, but the rain chances should start to diminish. But we'll see continued breezy conditions as we go overnight Saturday and into Sunday. So if we look at our 24-hour weather risk chart for today, we do have green conditions expected over the next 24 hours. We'll see our high temperature getting up close to or just below 50 degrees, so expecting a high around 49 degrees. We are expecting those winds to pick up a bit out of the northwest, 8 to 13 knots, seeing those peak winds up to 20 knots today, and then slowly tapering down as we go into the evening time frame. Just a few high clouds expected around today, and then back to clear skies as we go into the evening, with possibly a few mid-level clouds moving in as we get into the start of the day on Friday, but we'll see those winds become light and variable, and then a northeasterly wind gradually increasing as we get to the start of the day on Friday. But tides are running normal at the moment, and if we look at the next couple days, Friday will end the week with a pretty nice day with mostly sunny conditions early on. Then again, we'll see those clouds increasing as we go through the day, becoming mostly cloudy to overcast by the time we get to the evening time frame. We do have that slight onshore breeze, but expecting green weather conditions as we go through the work hours on Friday, and expecting our high around 51 degrees. Then we see those rain chances move in Friday night, looking at a red risk for precip starting after midnight Friday night and continuing into Saturday. So we'll see cloudy conditions with rain showers and breezy conditions moving in after midnight. Our low just around 47 degrees. So we do keep an orange risk for those elevated winds, as well as an orange risk for seeing those reduced ceilings and visibilities with that activity moving in. We move up to a red risk for those winds above 25 knots as we get into Saturday. That's when we'll start to see those strongest winds moving into the area. Continue with those low ceilings and visibilities as we continue with the rain showers, and a better chance of seeing some heavier rain showers embedded within that. We'll see a very slight chance of a thunderstorm. Most of the activity looks like it will stay off the coast, but definitely a non-zero chance for our Saturday. But otherwise, we'll see windy conditions. Could see those gusts up to 35 to 45 miles per hour. And then we'll start to see that rain tapering off as we get late into the evening hours, with some low clouds lingering around. But some milder temperatures move in with this system, seeing a high around 59 for our Saturday. That's going to wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. Take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.